A very important tip on true, false, and not given question is moving on. I have seen my students struggling for the first question or the second question and they do not get the answer, they get panicked, they get stuck, and they spoil the entire exam. So, what happens is sometimes we get the first question as a not given question, or if it is part 3, then we might get an inference question. So the problem is that the answer is not given, then that means the information is not given in the passage. But the students get stuck and they try to find the answer. In that, they start reading the whole passage and they waste their entire time there only. Then, when time is wasted, they get panicked and everything gets spoiled. So, do not waste your time in the first question or second question. If you are not getting the answer in any of the question, just move on. You might find your answers later. Follow for more such tips.